Hi eBayers, I'm going to show you today what I picked up at the boot fair on Saturday, and by seeing what I pick up you can expand your knowledge and allow yourself to flip items to make maximum profits on eBay. Let's have a look at what I picked up. Right, slightly different way of doing the haul. I usually do it on the floor, point the camera at the bits and pieces and point at them, but I thought I'd go full face on. So now, these are items I picked up on the Saturday boot fair. It's a TP-Link router. Now, these are being superseded, but they still do sell. And on that, I paid £3 for that, and looking for a return of about 15. Got a couple of Guitar Heroes. This is, I believe, what they call a sunburst. Now the battery compartment has got a little bit of rust on one of the contacts, so I'll rub that down with a bit of sandpaper. I have got games that will go with these. I paid £1.50 for that one. And I've also got a Gibson. It's got a few stickers on it. And it is a wireless one. And I also paid £1.50 for that one. Now I'm hoping to get about £25 for each one with games, so it's not a bad return. £50 for a £3 outlay, and I'm going to add games that I've already got. Also picked up a pair of these are Nike golf shoes. They're in good condition and it's bread and butter really. They cost me £3. I'm looking to get around £18 to £20 for them. Now, whilst we're on shoes, I picked up these, I was going to say Nike, they're Adidas, obviously. And these are the Adidas Superflow. I paid £3 for them. They're in really good condition. Don't need a lot of cleaning, just a bit of dirt on the back. And these are going to give me about £16. Now, I only pick up football boots that aren't too dirty. I don't want to waste my time spending an hour getting a pair of boots clean unless they're worth 30 or £40. Right, I also picked up these are GHD hair straighteners. They're in really good condition. They've got all the instructions with them. They are working, and I paid on those. I paid £8 for those, but they're going to give me a return of about £30. Let's just move some of the stuff out of the way. And I picked up this. This is a portable DVD player. Now, in this pack, there's also a rechargeable battery pack. So you can charge it up, take the battery pack with you, and actually use it when you don't have access to mains electricity. Now, I paid £3 for that, and these sell for about £25. I've just sold one of these earlier on in the week, or, well, would be last week by the time you see this. This is a Hot Wheels stunt garage, and as you can see, it's got 5 Hot Wheel cars with it. Now, the one I sold had a little bit of track, a few bits of extra track, and that went for, I believe, about £27. So maybe looking to get £20 for this. Now, I also picked up this Olivetti Lettra portable typewriter. It's the Lettra 25, and it comes in its original Olivetti carrying case. Now, it's all working. If you're ever picking these up, try the keys, make sure that the keys depress, and do a few keys, make sure they don't get stuck. Sometimes they can fly up and all get stuck together, which means you've got to mess around putting oil on them and getting them all sorted out. But this is working fully. Now, for this, I paid £5, but these go for about £40. And if you get the right one, you can be looking at £60. Now, I'm not going to take it all out, But this is a little bit heavy. Let's see if I can get that out. There we go. That's what it looks like. It's in good condition. It's fully working. Now for this I paid £4 and they go for about £26. Thanks for watching. If you've liked the video, then why not hit the like button? That tells me that I'm giving you videos and information that you like to watch. I've got other videos coming out. There'll always be at least one a week, sometimes two. So if you want to be notified as soon as they get loaded up onto YouTube, why not subscribe? Thanks for watching. See you in a video again soon. Bye for now.